one comes under the NGO of Shanta Sharaf. Actually, what her idea? Her idea is to give the proper livelihood for this villages of the Kutch. Those who are all actually, it's an art. This embroidery is a skill what they have. So we wanted to just uplift the work. So we are giving the designs, of course, the traditional designs and the different types of the 16 types of the embroideries also you will find out here. And then from small kid, the small girl onwards knows to make how to embroider, because there's such an intricate work. Even till 85 years old lady kuda, the lady also can do this embroidery without having the specs first of all, that way. And then here this as I said already, it's a non-profitable organization. Mostly, if we are not giving such a work, the tradition work, this art will die. Those people also will go for, okay, then we'll go to some other building construction, some other work. They'll move, but so we don't want to die this art. So that's why then we adapted some 120 villages, and almost 3,500 ladies are working with this. And then our people will go and hand over the silk thread, of course, and the quality is, you will find, if you come over here, you will know the quality also, the thread and of course the materials and the embroidery work also. This is for ever sake they are making. So you may find this maybe a little bit expensive. Why? But unless you understand the type and how long this work is taken, then you will know the value of these products. Sari and all, it starts from sale from 5,000. Of course, it depends upon the cotton and silk, and then saris and the tops and the bags are from 300 onwards. It's like evening bags, just for evening purpose, and of course it will be useful for your commodity purpose also. Now we started to do our exports also, of course in the abroad also, because people like it. So in that way also we have very big showroom in Kutch, Gujarat. It's like a tourist place. And the other items means the shawls. You will find the geometrical work of the Suf embroidery that nobody will believe it is the hand embroidery. It's such a weaving type. You will find it, and then wall hangings, and then quilts, and what else? Cushion covers, saris. Of course, already I told you. Like many items, like blouse pieces and many items. Yeah, this exhibition will be here for 3 days. That's tomorrow and after tomorrow. Of course, till Saturday. You will find from 11 to 7 we'll be here. You can come down and visit us and then pick up the things also. This is only for the exhibition sale actually, because now we have tied up with this showroom, Weaves showroom. So we are just exhibited our products. So this is the main place people can come and have a look and then buy also.